Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to Hidden Secret Wigs. Today we are going to talk about how to curl our human hair blends or heat-friendly synthetic curls. This specific curl is going to give you more of a wave, kind of like what I have today, rather than super curly or like Shirley Temple looking curls. This is going to give you a more wave, a little bit more updated look. I'm going to keep this intro super short. I'm going to throw some links down for other things you might need, other information you might need, and let's just get into it. Just like with any heat-friendly wig styling, you're going to go through section by section and you're going to get out all of the snarls. I like to work in 1-inch to 2-inch sections. From here, I am going to go ahead and saturate the hair with water. You can also do this right after you wash the hair. I have links listed below if you need to know how to wash your wigs. And again, just going over with a fine-tooth comb to make sure there's no snarls. From here, I'm going to use a manufacturer recommended heat protectant spray. This heat protectant spray is specially formulated for these type of fibers. Now the hair is wet and we are using a hot curling iron, no hotter than 350 degrees. The hair is going to sizzle and it is going to steam, and that is okay. You're going to start by clamping up at the root and slowly unclamp and work your way down until all of the ends of the section of hair that we're working with is in the clamp. I'm going to let it sit for maybe 5-10 seconds, and then I'm going to unroll it, untwist the hair out. Here's just another view, again, going through, getting the tangles out of the next section. Saturating the section of hair that we're working with water. Spraying a heat protectant spray. I'm going to go ahead and comb the heat protectant spray through the fibers. And then I'm going to clamp up at the root, roll up, leaving the ends out, and slowly clamp down until I've got all of the ends into the curling iron. I'm going to hold that for about 5-10 seconds and unroll it out. This is what it's going to look like afterward. I'm not going to comb anything out. I'm going to leave the curls intact and let it dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, it should be completely dry, but it's still going to look wet. It has a cast on it. Here's an example of what it looks like after 24 hours. From here, I'm going to comb the cast out. Now, I'm using a wide tooth comb. You can also use your fingers. And I'm doing this to loosen the curls up, which is going to give me that wave. If you use your fingers, it's not going to loosen them as much as if you use a wide tooth comb. I was looking, because this is a wig from my personal collection, I was looking for a more loose, more undone wave. A little more unconstructed, if you will. And so this is just what the style looks like now that it's finished. If you have any more questions regarding how I did this style, please drop comments below. I will also leave links to how to wash your hair below as well.